Hello students, this is the third video of chapter number 11, that is alcohols, phenols and ethers. In second video we discussed about the nomenclature of alcohols, phenols and ethers according to IUPAC and common nomenclature system. Now today we are going to start the general methods of preparation of alcohols and phenols. First we will see the preparation of alcohols. That means the methods of preparation of alcohols. Alcohols आपल्याला prepare करायचे आहेत by using the different methods, in which the first method is from alkyl halides, means RX. Here R is alkyl group, maybe methyl, ethyl, propyl, etc. And X are the halogens, maybe chlorine, bromine, iodine, etc. by hydrolysis. Alkyl halides means RX on hydrolysis with dilute aqueous alkali. Alkali means the base. Base we can use here, that is NaOH, but it is in aqueous condition, which gives the corresponding alcohols. But for better yields are obtained when alkyl halides are heated with moist silver oxide. बघा सिंपल जनरल रिएक्शन दिलेली आहे. RX म्हणजेच काय, अल्किल हॅलाइड्स प्लस NaOH. मात्र NaOH कसा दाखवायचा आहे, aqueous, which gives ROH, means alkyl alcohols with the side product, that is NaX. This is the general reaction. For example, C2H5Br means bromoethane is its IUPAC name and ethyl bromide is its common name, plus NaOH aqueous, which gives C2H5OH plus NaBr. C2H5OH means ethanol is its IUPAC name and ethyl alcohol is its common name. आता या रिएक्शनमध्ये काय होतं आहे, C2H5Br हा Br कोणाबरोबर रिॲक्ट होतो आहे, सोडियम बरोबर, म्हणून रिमोल कशाचं होतं आहे, NaBr. उरला काय, OH. आता हा OH कोणाबरोबर रिॲक्ट होतो आहे, C2H5 म्हणजे इथिल ग्रुप बरोबर, अल्किल ग्रुप बरोबर, आणि कशाचं फॉर्मेशन होतं आहे, C2H5OH म्हणजेच इथेनॉलचं. सेकंड मेथड ऑफ प्रिपरेशन ऑफ अल्कोहोल, दॅट इज बाय ॲसिड कॅटलाइज्ड हायड्रेशन ऑफ अल्किन्स. म्हणजे अल्किन्सपासून आपल्याला मिळवायचं आहे बाय द हायड्रेशन. अल्किन्स रिॲक्ट्स विथ सल्फ्युरिक ॲसिड, दॅट मीन्स H2SO4. इट फर्स्ट प्रोड्यूस्ड alkyl hydrogen sulfate, which on hydrolysis gives alcohols. This reaction follows the Markovnikov's rule. ही रिएक्शन काय फॉलो करते, मार्कोनिकोव्स रूल, जो आपण 11th स्टँडर्डमध्ये स्टडी केलेला आहे. दॅट इज निगेटिव्ह पार्ट ऑफ ॲडिंग रिएजंट इज अटॅच टू दॅट डबल बॉन्डेड कार्बन ॲटम विच कंटेन्स लेस नंबर ऑफ hydrogen atom. But this Markovnikov's rule in case of unsymmetrical alkenes. Unsymmetrical म्हणजे काय, डबल बॉन्डच्या दोन्ही साईडला जर समजा वेगवेगळे अल्किल ग्रुप असतील तर तेव्हा मार्कोनिकोव्स रूल तुम्ही तिथे यूज करू शकता. आता CH2CH2 म्हणजेच हा इथिन. इथिन हा सिमेट्रिकल अल्किन आहे, कारण डबल बॉन्डच्या दोन्ही साईडला तुम्हाला सारखेच ग्रुप दिसून येत आहेत. त्यामुळे तुम्ही निगेटिव्ह पार्ट जो आहे H2SO4चा म्हणजेच OSO3H हा तुम्ही कोणत्याही कार्बनला अटॅच करू शकतात. सो द इथिन विच हॅज द फॉर्म्युला CH2 डबल बॉन्ड CH2 प्लस HOSO3H means H2SO4. Here the negative part is OSO3H and this is attached to the any one carbon atom and it forms ethyl hydrogen sulfate as CH3CH2OSO3H. This is the addition compound which on acid hydrolysis it gives CH3CH2OH plus a removal of H2SO4. CH3CH2OH which has the name that is ethanol. Similarly, the next example, if we take the another alkene that is propene. Propene is unsymmetrical alkene. अनसिमेट्रिकल का आहे कारण डबल बॉन्डच्या दोन्ही साईडला तुम्हाला वेगवेगळे ग्रुप दिसून येत आहेत, तर त्यासाठी तुम्ही मार्कोनिकोव्स रूल यूज करू शकतात. म्हणूनच H2SO4 मधला OSO3H हा जो निगेटिव्ह पार्ट आहे तो जो ज्या कार्बनला लेस हायड्रोजन ॲटम्स आहेत त्याला तुम्ही जॉईन करायचा आहे. सो द ॲडिशन प्रोडक्ट इज आयसोप्रोपिल हायड्रोजन सल्फेट which on acid hydrolysis, that means heating with water, it gives propan-2-ol with removal of H2SO4. Third method, from alkenes by hydroboration oxidation. In this reaction, diborane that is B2H6 reacts with alkene, undergoes addition reaction that is hydroboration to give trialkyl borane that is R3B, means trialkyl borane, which on oxidation with hydrogen peroxide that is, or we can also say hydrogen peroxide that is H2O2 in alkaline medium gives alcohol. This is anti-Markovnikov's hydration of alkenes. For example, here propene that is CH3CH double bond CH2 6 times plus B2H6 that is diborane which gives tripropyl borane, that is the addition product tripropyl borane, and this tripropyl borane on oxidation with hydrogen peroxide that takes the 3 times H2O2 in alkaline medium. For this use OH minus on the arrow which gives propan-1-ol, that is thrice CH3CH2CH2OH plus BOH thrice. Actually, hydroboration oxidation leads overall to hydration of alkene. In this reaction, alcohol is obtained in excellent yield. The addition of diborane to the double bond takes place in such a way that the boron atom gets attached to less substituted carbon. It looks like that addition of water takes place according to anti-Markovnikov's rule. हे जे मी आधीच सांगितलं तुम्हाला की ॲडिशन कशी होते अकॉर्डिंग टू anti-Markovnikov's rule. Next method, that is by reduction of carbonyl compounds. Here reduction means addition of hydrogen, or we can also say removal of oxygen. First one is by reduction of aldehydes and ketones. आपल्याला रिडक्शन करायचे कार्बोनिल कंपाऊंडचं. त्याच्यामध्ये पहिलं रिडक्शन बघूया आपण, रिडक्शन ऑफ aldehydes and ketones. Aldehydes can be easily reduced to primary alcohols, while ketones to secondary alcohols. Tertiary alcohols cannot be obtained by this method. Hydrogenation is carried out in presence of catalysts such as finely divided nickel, platinum or palladium. For the general reaction, that is RCHO, means the general formula for aldehydes. The reduction can be carried out by the two way. First one, that is H2 in presence of addition of H2 in presence of nickel or palladium on heating, or in second way, in first step reduction with LiAlH4 means lithium aluminum hydride followed by acid hydrolysis in the second step. By using both the reducing agent we get the same product, that is RCH2OH means the primary alcohols. That means aldehydes easily reduce to primary alcohols. For example, here ethanol, that is CH3CHO plus H2 in presence of nickel, platinum or palladium on heating, it gives CH3CH2OH means ethanol, which is nothing but the primary alcohol. For the general reaction of ketones, that is RC double bond OR, which can be reduced in two ways. In first way, that is addition of H2 in presence of nickel or palladium on heating, and in second method by using another reducing agent, that is LiAlH4 followed by acid hydrolysis, gives the same product, that is RCHOH, and alkyl group again attached to carbon atom, which is the secondary alcohol. Secondary alcohol means here carbon is secondary carbon because this carbon is attached to another two alkyl groups, that means the two carbon atoms, and to this secondary carbon atom OH group is attached, so it is the secondary alcohol. For example, we can take the propanone. Propanone means the example of ketone, or we can say it is acetone, which has the formula CH3CCH3 with carbon oxygen double bond plus H2 in presence of nickel, platinum or palladium on heating, it gives CH3CHOH, again CH3 attached to carbon atom, which has the name, that is propan2ol. It is the secondary alcohol. Next, that is the by reduction of कार्बोक्सिलिक ॲसिड्स. आता आपण रिडक्शन बघितलं कोणाचं, अल्डिहाइडचं आणि कीटोनचं. अल्डिहाइडचं रिडक्शन झालं तर आपल्याला काय मिळणार आहे, प्रायमरी अल्कोहोल, आणि कीटोनचं रिडक्शन झालं तर आपल्याला काय मिळणार आहे, सेकंडरी अल्कोहोल्स. आता आपल्याला रिडक्शन बघायचं आहे कार्बोक्सिलिक ॲसिडचं. कार्बोक्सिलिक ॲसिड्स रिक्वायर स्ट्रॉंग रिड्युसिंग एजंट, म्हणजेच कार्बोक्सिलिक ॲसिडचं रिडक्शन करण्यासाठी आपल्याला स्ट्रॉंग रिड्युसिंग एजंट लागणार आहे, सच ॲज LiAlH4 मीन्स लिथियम ॲल्युमिनियम हायड्राइड टू फॉर्म द प्रायमरी अल्कोहोल्स. RC double bond OH, that is the carboxylic acids on reduction with lithium aluminum hydride in second step, which is followed by acid hydrolysis, gives RCH2OH, that are the primary alcohols. But however, lithium aluminum hydride is an expensive reagent, म्हणजे तो कसा आहे, reagent महागडा आहे. Therefore, commercially acids are first transferred into esters, which on catalytic hydrogenation gives primary alcohols. लिथियम ॲल्युमिनियम हायड्राइड हा एक्सपेन्सिव्ह म्हणजे महागडा रिएजंट असल्यामुळे कार्बोक्सिलिक ॲसिड आधी काय केले जातात, दे आर फर्स्ट कन्वर्टेड इनटू इस्टर्स, अँड these esters on catalytic hydrogenation gives primary alcohols. Next method, that is by addition of Grignard's reagent to aldehydes and ketones. Grignard's reagent means alkyl magnesium halides, which are denoted by RMgX. Here R is alkyl group, Mg is magnesium, X may be chlorine, bromine, iodine. जेव्हा ही ग्रिग्नार्ड्स रिएजंटची रिॲक्शन आली तर ॲरोवरती सॉल्वंट ड्राय इथर लिहायचं विसरायचं नाही. ग्रिग्नार्ड्स रिएजंट react with aldehyde or ketone in presence of dry ether to form an adduct, means addition compound, which on hydrolysis with dilute acid gives the corresponding alcohols. आता खाली जनरल रिएक्शन दिलेले आहे, that is C double bond O common in aldehydes and ketones with oxygen partial negative charge and carbon has partial positively charged, plus Grignard's reagent, that is RMgX. Here R with partial negative charge and magnesium with partial positively charged. The partially positively negatively charged R, that is alkyl group, attached with partially positively charged carbon and partial positively charged magnesium with partial negatively charged oxygen to form the addition product or the addition compound which on acid hydrolysis gives alcohol plus MgXOH as the side product. Write down dry ether on the arrow. Formaldehyde gives primary alcohol on reaction with Grignard's reagent, while ethanol gives secondary and ketones gives tertiary alcohols. This reaction is useful in synthesis of a variety of alcohols. For example, if we see the reaction, first take formaldehyde or methanol. Methanol is its IUPAC name, which has the formula HCH with carbon oxygen double bond, plus take CH3MgI, that is the methyl magnesium iodide, in presence of dry ether gives the adduct or the addition. दोघांची आपण ॲडिशन करून ॲडिशन कंपाऊंड लिहायचं आहे, which on acid hydrolysis gives ethanol plus MgIOH. Similarly, if we take the ethanol gives the propan-2-ol on reaction with methyl magnesium iodide in presence of solvent dry ether gives first addition product, which on acid hydrolysis gives propan-2-ol, which is the secondary alcohol. Similarly, you can also write the reaction by using the acetone or the propanone, and propanone with methyl magnesium iodide gives 2-methyl propan-2-ol, that is the tertiary alcohol.